Today, I'll show you how to record expenses in Xero so your books stay accurate and up to date. We'll go from logging in all the way through to submitting or approving an expense claim. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause or replay any part as needed. First, open your web browser and go to Xero's website. Log into your account the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard where you can see an overview of your business finances. From here, we want to move into the section that deals with what your business spends. I'm going to walk you through how to get to the expense area. Look for the main navigation menu near the top of the screen. Find and click on the option labeled Purchases. This is where Xero groups together anything related to money going out, including bills and expenses. When you click Purchases, you'll see several options, and one of them will be Expenses. In this video, you'll learn how to open the Expenses section and start a new claim. Go ahead and click on Expenses. This will bring you to a page that shows all your existing expense claims, their status, and any amounts that are awaiting approval or reimbursement. Think of this as your central hub for tracking what you or your team have spent on behalf of the business. To add something new, look for a button or drop-down labeled New Expense. This is usually near the top right of the Expenses page. Click on the New Expense drop-down to see your options. Here you want to choose Expense Claim. An expense claim is simply a record of something you or someone in your organization paid for personally that needs to be recorded and possibly reimbursed. Once you select expense claim, Xero will open a new form. I'll show you the easiest way to complete this, starting with the supporting document. Most expenses will have a receipt or invoice, and it's a great habit to attach it directly to the claim. Look for the option to upload an image. Click Upload Image, then choose the file from your computer or device. This might be a photo you took on your phone or a scanned copy of a receipt. Attaching it now makes it much easier to review and verify later and helps keep your records audit ready. After the image is uploaded, it's time to enter the details. You'll see fields for things like the date of the expense, a description, the amount, the tax treatment, and the expense account you want to code it to, such as travel, meals, or office supplies. Take your time here, make sure the date matches the receipt, the description clearly explains what the expense was for, and the amount is entered correctly, including any taxes if applicable. If you have tracking categories set up in Xero, such as departments or projects, this is also where you can assign the expense to the right category so your reporting is more meaningful later. Once you've filled in all the required fields and confirmed that everything matches the attached receipt, you're ready to finalize the claim. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see options to submit or approve. If you are the one creating the claim for someone else to review, choose Submit. If you have the permission to approve and the expense is ready to be finalized, you can click Approve. And that's it. You've successfully recorded an expense in Xero by going to the website, navigating through Purchases to Expenses, creating a new expense claim, uploading your receipt image, entering all the necessary details, and then submitting or approving the claim.